Get up and move with me. Dance.
This is that ice cold Michelle Pfeiffer and White Gold. This one for them good girls, straight masterpieces. Styling, wildin',
I see
living
you.
it up in the city. Got Chucks on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so
All
pretty.
together.
I'm too hot, yeah. Call the police and I'm fighting man. I'm too hot, yeah. Make a dragon wanna
Now grab your
retire, man.
parents.
Too hot,
And dance.
say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot, yeah. I'm a band about that
Break it down.
Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me,
Now
just
dance.
watch. Come on.
Well, hello, first grade. Welcome back to Number Corner. I'm Mr. T. You're here with me. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. Today is the first day of May. We're starting a brand new month of Number Corner. I am super excited to be with you guys here today on this Friday. So we're just going to get started right away. So I'm going to zoom in closely so we can reveal the card of the day. All right. There we are. Drum roll, please. Ha ha! Our card of the day. Our cards say, here comes Tad, ready to explore. What did he see on 20 plus 4? I want you to take 30 seconds to think about our card of the day. What do you think our number corner is going to be about based on the card of the day? Take 30 seconds to think about that. What do you think our card is going to be based on? So, friends, we're in a brand new month. So, in May, we're going to have a special friend to travel along the month with us. So, our friend is going to be Tad the Frog. Tad the Frog is going to join us for Number Corner for the entire month. Our job is to help Tad the Frog get through the hundreds grid chart. Tad the Frog is searching for something, and it's our job to help him search for that thing. So he's going to hop from number to number to find what he's looking for. While he's hopping, we're going to help him solve clues on the calendar grid to help him find what he's looking for. So for the entire month of May, we're going to have our friend Tad the Frog, hi Tad, assist us on the number corner today. So it says, here comes Tad, ready to explore. What did he see on 20 plus 4? So Tad is here. So Tad, what number did they say you were on first? That's right. They said you were on 20. Tad the Frog is on 20. Let's do green. Green's my favorite color too. So Tad the Frog is on 20. So we're going to color in 20. All right. I guess we can make that a little neater. Maybe we can just do a circle. So Tad is on 20. And he hopped how many more? 4. Did you hop 4 more, Tad? All right, we're going to hop 4 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. What number was Tad looking for? Turn and tell your parents. Tad, what number were you looking for? Tad was looking for the number 24. Tad was looking for the number 24. So all this month, in the month of May, we're going to help Tad search for something that he's looking for, and we're going to use the 120 grid, the calendar grid, to help us do so. So friends, we're going to move on. We're going to go to the days in school. So Tad, you can help us along with this. So we count this as 100. So and then we're going to count on from 100 and count on to the days. You ready, Tad? All right, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, and today makes 146. Thanks, Tad. We're going to mark this for us. 146. Now, we're going to go to our how many days in school. Do you think you can help us out with that, Ted? All right, let's see. So we're going to use something bigger. So yesterday was 145 days, as you see here. So we modeled the number, we built it, and we're going to do expanded form for it today. So when we modeled the number 145, we have to change that to 146 because today makes 146 days of school. So I'm going to change my 5 into a 6. And I'm going to model that as 100. There's my 100. 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 142, 143, 144, 145. I need to make this 146. There we go. Now I'm going to write that into expanded form. All right, so you're going to stretch that number out with me and Tad. So 100. And you're going to add it together. 140, that's the next number, me and Tad here. Do it with us. 6. Try to figure out as many ways as you can write this. Now we're going to build the number. So 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, and one more y makes 146. All right. All right, so friends, we have a different one. Yesterday, and then in April, we did popsicle sticks. Today, we're going to talk about coins and dollars. So right now, we have the quarter form. So repeat after me. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. So a quarter is worth 25 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. 25 cents. I want you to grab 2 quarters, and I want you to do your very best at saying how much does 2 quarters equal. I'm going to set the timer for 2 minutes, and you're going to ask yourself, how much does 2 quarters equal? How much does 2 quarters equal?
At Lexus, we knew from the start.
We weren't in the car business.
How many does 2 quarters equal? Ask your parents for 2 quarters. 2 quarters equal. "57 seconds left." All right, friends. So we're trying to figure out how much does 2 quarters equal? So we know that a quarter is big and bold and it's worth 25 that we're told. So a quarter is worth 25 cents. So I have 1 quarter and then I have another quarter. So that's 25 plus 25. So now, if I add 25 plus 25, what number do I get? That's right, 50. 2 quarters equal 50 cent. 2 quarters equals 50 cent. And that's how you write 50 cent. So let's look at this one right here. So this is called a dollar. I have a dollar. Why do you think this dollar is on this grid? Well, this dollar is on this grid because each box on this grid represents something. So how many squares are inside of this one big square? How many squares do you think is inside of this one big square? Oh, let's see, let's count. So I can count, I know that in each square, there's 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4, because it's broken into 4 squares. And on each square, there are, I'll count to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can count by 5s to see how many is in each square. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. There are 25 little squares in each of these big squares. So the dollar is in the middle because these 4 big squares represent the amount of the dollar. So I know if the boxes, these little squares are 25 squares, then they must represent a quarter. So this little square goes here. So I know that 25 cent here because there's 25 squares. So how many squares are in this square? Oh, another 25 squares, which is a quarter, which is 25 cent. How many is in this square? 25 squares, which is another quarter. And how many squares are in this big square? 25 as well. So I know that 4 quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 quarters equals 1 whole dollar. Four quarters equals 1 whole dollars. So that's 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 equal. And you write a dollar like this. You make your dollar sign. This is called a decimal point. And that's how you write $1. So 4 quarters equals $1. All right, so friends, we're going to play a quick game. For our game today, we're going to use the hundreds grid. For our hundreds grid, we are going to do the same thing we did last week. We're going to do it just a little bit different. So I'm going to write a number and you're going to tell me, you're going to guess what my number is based on the representation. So I have 1 10 and 2 ones. So what is 1 10 and 2 ones? So Tad the Frog here is trying to find a number 1 10 and 2 ones. What number am I, Tad? That's right. The number is 12. You are the number 12. There's 1 10 and 2 ones in the number 12. Now we're going to go to our spinner and we're going to spin it and see which one we land on. It says 10 more. So Tad needs to get from 12. He needs to get 10 more from 12, and that's the number Tad needs to get to. So Tad, we're on 12. Now we got to hop 10 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What number are you on now, Tad? That's right. You're on number 22. Tad hopped 10 from 12 and hopped 10 more all the way until he landed on 22. All right, so first, before we end Number Corner, Tad and I would like to reveal the card of the day. Isn't that right, Tad? So we're going to reveal the next card for tomorrow. So the card for tomorrow, which is Saturday, is this card. And for Sunday, it's that card. Check out those cards. Let me know what you think. I cannot wait to see you guys next week on May 4th, on the Monday, 2020. Have an awesome weekend. I cannot wait to see you guys. Alexa, play. Enjoy the weekend. I'll talk to you guys.
Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh, stop. Wait a minute.